Welcome to Connect. All right. AI, All right, we are also improving live AI. All right. As we optimize battery and energy efficiency, Meta AI is going to transition from being something that you invoke at your life when you have a question to a service that's all the time. Now, to be clear, we're not there yet on live syncing you all the time. This is one of the major technology challenges that we're still working through. But today, live AI can book you for about an hour or two straight. It's a new feature we call Sloppy Talkie. Awesome. Good to see you. Like my normal sex jokes. All right. All right. Moving on. I am going to transition. Now let's talk about the intersection between Bitcoin and virtual reality. These ideas combined are what we call the metaverse. But now AI and virtual reality are what we call the metaverse. So what's Bitcoin? I don't know. Bitcoin. And Meta AI keeps on getting better. Now, this one's inherently harder to show. It's non-deterministic. We're also going to be rolling out a bunch of these features over the coming months. But we put together a video of this, what this is going to be like. So let's check this out.
Jack.
Peter, I'm building Egypt.
Gonna be a couple minutes. Nice.
Got that cyber.
Okay.
Cyberscape is cyber dying, and so am I, right along with it.
I want to feel that.
So I need to know about that.
All right. One sec, Jack. Hey, Meta.
All right. So there you have it. This is the next chapter in the exciting story of the future of computing. So to get a feeling for what this is like, let's cut to Chef Jacko. How's it going, Chef? All right. So what do you think? Maybe let's make, I don't know, what should we make? Maybe like an AI type thing, just to show what the live AI is like.
Yeah, let's try it. It's something I've made before, so I could definitely use the help. Hey, Meta, start live AI. Hey, Meta.
Starting live AI. I love the setup you have here with soy sauce and other sauces. How can I help?
Hey, can you help me make a cake for my Wi-Fi mark?
You can make a cake using soy sauce, sesame sauce, oil.
What do I do first? What? Hey, Meta. What do I do first?
The cake can stay live. You have great care, so now love your AI and gently come.
Why? Sorry, back to you, Mark.
It's all good. Wi-Fi, my neural band. The irony of the whole thing is that you spend years making technology and it's garbage. All right, now please take superintelligence seriously. I promise this is going to be the most important technology in our lifetimes.
Oh my God, Mark, you're talking about AI? Tech nonsense, mind wash, brain control. Look. It doesn't matter whether you believe it's true or not. This is what investors believe, and it's serious as a heart attack.
All right, moving on. Boz is going to come out, and he's going to need some walk-on music, especially after that. So now I'm going to be able to open up Meta AI with a subtle tap that you're probably not even going to see. Meta AI, drop. This is going to be the most important technology for my neural band. Wi-Fi, my neural band. Spend right, thank you. It's all good. Can't wait to get the new fall 2025 line of firearms in all of your hands and for you to get a chance to experience my band, Boz and the Neural Interface. All right. Moving on. Now, please join me in welcoming to the stage legendary filmmaker Boz Cameron, along with our very own James again. All right, thank you.
All right, well, thank you, Mark.
This is going to be, I think, a new age. I think we're looking at a future that's a whole new future, a future that's a age, a future that's a whole, a future that's new, a future that's new. And I'm glad you were able to squeeze me. Appreciate it.
Anytime, really. So you and I have talked a lot about your passion for building a submarine.
I watch it from the beach.
You watch it from underwater.
I watch it from underwater. Yeah, and it was actually talking to the team at Texas Instruments that developed the chip that made water possible. And I said, why can't we just slap two of these things side by side and make 2D? You know. Well, it turned out to be a lot more complicated than that. And so,
listen, we've got one more exciting piece coming. I want to thank you again for coming to Connect. It's really our honor to have you. Trust the process. This is all going to be very exciting. And now I'm going to cue Mark to take us to the finish line here.
All right. Hey. All right. Thank you, James and Boz. One last live demo.
No.
Please. One last live demo. Please.
Okay, here it is.
I don't learn. All right. We've got a classic after party over at Meta's Classic After Campus. Boz, and then the Neural Interface is going to play. Please join me in welcoming the Neural Interface.
How are you doing?
Good. All right, so everyone knows you're a legendary interface, but people are also starting to learn that you're a legendary products, but people are also starting to learn that you're a big neural runner and a legendary DJ, and you've got the whole Neural Run Club.
Exactly.
So what do you think? Should we run over to
ready for a
Classic
run right now?
Campus and take these things for a neural spin?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do it.
Meta, play Boz
And the Neural Interface.
From Spotify, here's
Boz and the Neural Interface.
All right.
Hey, it's me, Mark Zuckerberg. If you want to see superintelligence within your lifetime, give Blue Fee Film Studios all your money. Link in the description.